In this video, I'll show you how you can password protect a PDF without using Adobe Acrobat if you haven't got it installed on your computer. So this is a free way. All you need to do is go to Google and type in Adobe. Once you've done that, go to the adobe.com homepage. Now that may take you to Adobe Express, but either way, you need to go to the Adobe Home section and just go to the main Adobe page where you can then find PDF and e-signatures. Then where it says Online Tools, click View All Tools. And then we can scroll down all the way to the bottom to Sign and Protect, and then we can click Protect PDF, try for free. It will then take you into a free version of Acrobat. You can then go ahead and select a file, choose your PDF file. Once it's uploaded, you can simply set a password and confirm it. You can click on this eye icon to reveal your password. Just make sure that they match. Once you've done that, it will then protect your file, and to open it, you just need to type in the password. Then you can go ahead and click download. And now we have a protected version of this PDF file, which we can move to wherever on our computer. That's how you can password protect a PDF.